Not gonna lie, Beyblades are kinda about the hype and fun of spinning. Yeah, but they just spin. Spinning gets old after a while.
Oh, that old Beyblade game 1 and just let the girls spin.
Being able to spin is an essential life skill for every girl. They should be teaching it in schools. Do you think you're the better spinner,
That'll
Evil?
write that down.
I would write that down as well, because I will K-pow you in the face if you try to say you're a better spinner than me. Got it!
I am a better Oh, sorry.
You like my spin?
I do. That was really good.